Are you ready to turn your TikTok addiction into a lucrative side hustle? TikTok has taken the world by storm, captivating audiences with its short-form videos and endless scrollable content. In this article, we'll explore how you can harness the power of TikTok to monetize your creativity and start earning real money. Firstly, it's essential to understand the unique nature of TikTok's audience and algorithm. With its predominantly young user base and algorithm that prioritizes engagement and virality, TikTok provides an ideal platform for content creators to reach a wide audience quickly. Whether you're showcasing your dance moves, sharing life hacks, or providing comedic relief, there's a niche for everyone on TikTok. Once you've established your presence on TikTok and built a loyal following, it's time to explore the platform's monetization features. From the TikTok Creator Fund to brand partnerships and sponsored content, there are multiple avenues for creators to earn money on TikTok. By leveraging these monetization options and creating high-quality, engaging content, you can turn your TikTok hobby into a profitable venture. But success on TikTok isn't just about creating viral videos. It's also about building a strong brand and community. Engaging with your audience, collaborating with other creators, and staying authentic are essential elements of building a successful TikTok presence. By fostering genuine connections with your followers and consistently delivering valuable content, you can cultivate a loyal fan base that will support your journey to TikTok stardom. 2. Leveraging TikTok's monetization features. TikTok offers a variety of monetization features that empower creators to earn money directly from their content. One of the most notable options is the TikTok Creator Fund, which allows eligible creators to earn a share of revenue based on the performance of their videos. By joining the Creator Fund, creators can monetize their content through ad revenue, providing them with a steady stream of income as their videos gain traction. In addition to the Creator Fund, TikTok also offers opportunities for creators to collaborate with brands and participate in sponsored content campaigns. Brands are increasingly turning to TikTok as a marketing platform to reach a younger demographic, and they are willing to pay creators to promote their products or services to their audience. Creators can negotiate sponsored content deals directly with brands or work through influencer marketing agencies to secure partnerships and earn money through sponsored posts. Affiliate marketing is another popular monetization strategy on TikTok, allowing creators to earn commissions by promoting products or services and driving sales through their unique affiliate links. By partnering with affiliate programs and sharing relevant products with their audience, creators can earn a commission for each sale generated through their referral links. Furthermore, TikTok's live streaming feature offers additional monetization opportunities for creators. Viewers can send virtual gifts or donations to their favorite creators during live streams, providing creators with a direct source of income in real time. Creators can also offer exclusive perks or behind-the-scenes access to their top supporters, further incentivizing viewer engagement and monetization. Overall, TikTok's monetization features provide creators with a range of options to earn money from their content, whether through ad revenue, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, or live streaming. By leveraging these monetization options strategically and creating engaging, high-quality content, creators can turn their TikTok hobby into a profitable career. 3. Building your brand and audience. Building a strong brand and audience is crucial for success on TikTok and is the foundation for monetization opportunities. Your brand identity sets you apart from other creators and helps attract and retain followers who resonate with your content. Here's how to effectively build your brand and audience on TikTok. 1. Define your niche. Determine what type of content you want to create and establish your niche on TikTok. Whether it's comedy, beauty, cooking, or education, focusing on a specific niche allows you to target a more defined audience and become known as an expert in that area. 2. Create consistent content. Consistency is key on TikTok. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and helps you stay relevant in their feed. Develop a content schedule and stick to it to maintain a consistent presence on the platform. 3. Showcase your personality. TikTok is all about authenticity and personality. Let your unique voice and personality shine through in your videos to connect with your audience on a deeper level. People are more likely to follow and engage with creators they feel a personal connection to. 4. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal audience requires active engagement. Respond to comments, answer questions, and interact with your followers to foster a sense of community. Engaging with your audience not only strengthens your relationship with them, but also increases the likelihood of them sharing your content with others. 5. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other TikTok creators is a great way to expand your reach and attract new followers. Look for creators in your niche or with a similar audience size and propose collaboration ideas that benefit both parties. By focusing on building your brand identity, creating consistent content, showcasing your personality, engaging with your audience, and collaborating with other creators, you can effectively grow your audience on TikTok and position yourself for monetization opportunities in the future. Remember, building a strong brand and audience takes time and dedication, but the rewards are well worth the effort. 4. Engaging with your audience and community. Engaging with your audience and building a sense of community is essential for fostering loyalty and maximizing your success on TikTok. Here's how to effectively engage with your audience and build a thriving community. 1. Respond to comments and messages. Take the time to read and respond to comments on your videos. Acknowledge your viewers' feedback, answer their questions, and thank them for their support. Responding to comments shows that you value your audience's input and helps strengthen your relationship with them. 2. Ask for input and feedback. Encourage your audience to share their thoughts and opinions by asking questions or soliciting feedback in your videos. Whether it's asking for content ideas, opinions on a topic, or feedback on your videos, involving your audience in the creative process makes them feel valued and invested in your content. 3. Create interactive content. Experiment with interactive content formats such as polls, quizzes, challenges, and duets to encourage engagement and participation from your audience. Interactive content not only entertains your viewers, but also encourages them to interact with your videos and share them with others. 4. Host live streams. Take advantage of TikTok's live streaming feature to connect with your audience in real time. Host Q&A sessions, behind-the-scenes looks, or interactive challenges during your live streams to engage with your audience directly and foster a sense of community. 5. Collaborate with your audience. Involve your audience in your content creation process by collaborating with them on videos. Whether it's featuring user-generated content, showcasing fan art, or inviting viewers to participate in challenges, involving your audience in your content helps strengthen your community and builds loyalty among your followers. By actively engaging with your audience, soliciting their input and feedback, creating interactive content, hosting live streams, and collaborating with your audience, you can build a strong sense of community on TikTok and foster a loyal and engaged following. Remember, building a community takes time and effort, but the connections you forge with your audience can lead to long-term success on the platform. In conclusion, TikTok presents an incredible opportunity for creators to not only express themselves creatively, but also to turn their passion into a source of income. By leveraging TikTok's monetization features, building a strong brand and audience, and actively engaging with your followers, you can pave the way for success on the platform. As we've discussed, joining the TikTok Creator Fund, collaborating with brands, and exploring affiliate marketing are just a few ways to monetize your TikTok presence. However, success on TikTok goes beyond just making money. It's about building a community, connecting with your audience, and sharing your authentic self with the world. Remember to stay true to your voice and values, create content that resonates with your audience, and foster genuine connections with your followers. Building a loyal and engaged community takes time and effort, but the relationships you forge with your audience will be invaluable on your journey to TikTok success. As you embark on your TikTok journey, don't forget to stay informed about the latest trends, features, and strategies for success on the platform. TikTok is constantly evolving, so staying adaptable and open-minded will be key to staying ahead of the curve. Lastly, if you found this guide helpful and want to learn more about how to succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, be sure to subscribe to our channel.